started with a hum, a buzz, a breeze, a flutter by a flower, a dance in the trees. But the factories grew, and the pipelines sprawled, and we paved over Eden and then strip mauled. They said progress with a poison grin, while the last wild things grew paper thin. So one by one they took their bow. Are you listening, or just busy now? It was the last time we heard a bird sing, the final flap of a butterfly wing. The meadows are malls, the bees are gone, but hey, we've still got Amazon. The last time we danced in the pollen breeze, now we just cough on the plastic seas. Raise a toast to extinction, let the drone choir ring. That was the last time we heard a bird sing. The dodo's ghost took one last look and sighed. They never read the book. The coral's gone, the ocean's weeds and trees are now just NFTs. The EPA got sold one night to a shell corp with oil rights. They paved the parks and claimed the sky and told the kids, don't ask why.
Ironically cheerful, and now presenting a very special offer. A single genetically printed synthetic bee for the low, low price of $39.93.
It was the last time we heard a bird sing, just a ringtone in the fossil bling. The air's too hot, the soil's too dead, but here's a tick-tock of your daily bread. The last leaf fell with a corporate ping. That was the last time we heard a bird sing. So plant your flags and clear your land, just don't expect the world to stand. We traded the sky for a plastic ring, and nobody noticed. That was the last time we heard a bird sing. The last time we heard a bird sing. That was the last time we heard a bird sing.
You know, I didn't write this song to mourn. Not really. I wrote it to remember what was, and maybe what still might be. I read The Girl Who Rode the Unihorn under a blanket with a flashlight, while the city was blacked out. It was the first time I felt like someone had written down the world I missed, even though I'd never lived in it. Rona. She rode through fire and flood for something she couldn't quite name. I think that's what we all do. That's what this song is, really. A little ride through the ash and the silence. For the bees, for the birds, for anyone who remembers how to listen. Maybe one day we'll hear the birds again. But until then, let's not stop singing.
The last time we heard a bird sing.